take a screenshot in HP laptop. Press window plus function and then press print screen. As you can see, another way, search for snipping tool. As you can see, this is a snipping tool. Click on new. Here you can adjust and take a screenshot. Now to save this file, click on save as. Here you can choose the location. Click on save. To access the file, go here. Here you can see pictures. Here you can see screenshots. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.